The radius of a wheel rolling on the ground is 80 centimeters. If the wheel rotates through a 60-degree angle, what distance has it traveled? Give an exact answer and then round to 2 decimal places. All right, so we can imagine this situation where I have a wheel rolling over what I'm going to imagine is level ground. So I want to imagine that wheel, and I need to roll it through a 60-degree angle. So I want to imagine a little line segment, a radius of the circle that's perpendicular to the ground. And what I could do is draw a little 60-degree angle. So I want to imagine that that's a 60-degree angle. And I will know my wheel has gone through that 60-degree rotation once this radius is the one perpendicular to the ground, and then I still see that 60-degree angle, so I can imagine that wheel turning until it's that wheel. And what I realize happens as this wheel rolls along the ground until this is the perpendicular radius is that this length of wheel traces out on the ground. So that arc length is the distance our wheel has traveled. So this is an arc length formula. I'm really looking for the length, the arc length on the outside of that tire with a 60-degree interior angle. So I can actually reduce my problem to just that. I'm drawing the worst circle in the world, so we're just going to try that again. So there was that first radius, and we're going to roll the wheel until we've gone through that 60-degree angle, and we're trying to find this arc length. Well, we have an arc length formula. S is equal to R times the angle theta, but we need to remember that this formula works when our angle is in radians. Because this is actually the definition of the radian measure of an angle solved for the arc length. So we know the radius is 80 centimeters, and now we need to know the angle in radians. So we could convert that, but I'm hoping that maybe we know that a 60-degree angle is a pi thirds radian angle. And so the distance I travel exactly is 80 pi over 3 centimeters. And at 1 decimal place, 80 times pi over 3 is about 83.8. Oh, 2 decimal places. I should read my own instructions. 83.78 centimeters. So the wheel has traveled about 83.78 centimeters. And that's it for now.